Hello everyone, David Lewis here with your weekly motivational tip. And these tips are coming directly from my book, Winners versus Losers. Being busy and working are not always the same thing. Work is something that has a goal and an end in view. Being busy often represents activity, but does not necessarily accomplish anything worthwhile. Without a clear vision, you can be busy all day long and accomplish very little. However, you can accomplish a lot with minimal effort if you know what you're doing and have a clear goal in mind before you start flapping your wings. Former British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher had this to say about hard work and success. She said, "I do not know anyone who has gotten to the top without hard work. That is the recipe. It will not always get you to the top, but it will give you pretty close." Those are powerful words of wisdom from someone who rose from a common background to become the first female Prime Minister of England and one of the greatest leaders of the free world in modern times. She worked hard to get where she was, and once she was at the top, she worked even harder to advance the people she was elected to serve. You see, winners are not afraid to work hard. In fact, they love their work. Most highly successful people will tell you that they love the work they do as much as they love the benefits their success has given them. Ask anyone who has lost the ability to work, and they will tell you of the value that work once added to their life. It is the quality of the effort given that adds dignity and satisfaction to those who are willing to pay the price for success. On the other hand, losers may expend a lot of energy and appear to be extremely busy, but they never accomplish the things that would make them highly successful. They are usually the last ones to show up on the job and the first ones to leave. While they are there, they can make everyone think they're doing more than anyone else. Like the tiny birds that scurry to and fro above the ground level. They're frantically active, but never attain the growth and strength that will allow them to rise to where the eagles fly. Hard work that is done toward a definite goal and purpose produces measurable results, while busyness often produces only sweat. Successful people are willing to work hard because they expect to receive a reward for their efforts. As humans, we are driven by incentive, and it is a natural part of who we are. When you put forth a good effort, you expect a reward, and you should be rewarded if your work is good. Work for the sake of work is like pouring water into the ocean. It adds nothing worthwhile to anything and is ultimately seen for what it is, an effort in futility. Losers often mimic real work with busyness, just to avoid the stigma of having no real direction in life. Highly successful people are often criticized for not getting their hands dirty or for having special privileges that made it easier for them to succeed. Track the history of most high achievers, and you will usually uncover a well-worn path, revealing a life of dedication, commitment, and hard work. They have not taken the time to sit around and shoot the breeze about what they're going to do. They were too busy doing it. Like Mrs. Thatcher, winners to their homework and are well aware of what it takes to reach their goals. They're not about to waste their time chatting about the weather. Instead, they're checking the wind direction to see how to set the sails for their next destination. So dream big, work hard, and the end result will be something worthy of the work you have done. Do not get caught up in a flurry of activities that aren't going to take you where you want to go. Once you reach the high winds, you can then take a break and enjoy the view, and you will certainly have earned the right to do so. Good luck, everyone.